I lost my job after my wife and I separated. Do I have to pay child support? I'm Steve Kramer of the Kramer Law Firm. I'm a Florida family law and divorce attorney. This is an issue that comes up quite frequently, especially since the economy has turned for the worse. A lot of people are out of work, a lot of people are underemployed or not making as much money as they used to. And they want to know, do I still have to pay child support, or do I still have to pay as much child support? The bottom line is, even if you're unemployed, the court is probably going to make you pay child support because the court assumes, absent a disability, that you have the capability of earning income. So they're going to do what's called imputing income to you. And generally, they will at least impute minimum wage to you because you're capable of working, you're capable of earning minimum wage. Now what can happen is, if your husband or wife decides to, they can bring in a vocational expert who can actually testify as to your earning potential. So sometimes you have somebody who's making a substantial amount of money, they take a decrease in pay in order to minimize their support, and it winds up backfiring because now not only did they take a deduction in pay, but now also they're going to be held accountable for the income that they had previously. So the bottom line is the vocational expert can come in and impute the income that you're capable of earning. So if you're capable of earning $100,000 a year, even though you drop back down to 50, the court could find that you're capable of earning 100, and therefore you're responsible for paying child support according to that. Now, there are defenses to this. There's plenty of defenses, especially in this economy, but it's something we want to look at individually on a case-by-case basis, whatever side of the issue that you're on. Now, another thing you might have to deal with is an argument that maybe you're trying to conceal some side income or some cash income. So that's another thing that we're going to want to look at when we address your case when you meet with us. Now, why am I telling you this? Because if you're dealing with a divorce, these are issues that come up again and again and again, and we've dealt with them over and over. We deal with them on a daily basis. So if you have any questions, give me a call at the number below. I'd love to help you out any way I can. And if you're watching this video on Facebook or YouTube, go ahead and click the like button below. That way you can share this information with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Kramer, the Kramer Law Firm.